Spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even, ooh.
Check out the Airbnb place. We have the kitchen, tteokbokki, the balcony, sofa, toilet, super clean, the bedroom. very excited to try out a lot of food, so I will take you with me and share with you my food experience. taste test.
Should I just try this first?
Yeah.
Kind of tastes like, I think it's just of like oyster.
Tastes like oyster? What's the texture like?
Very creamy. You know the crab egg?
Yeah. George, what do you think, George? Is it good? Your face says you don't really like it. What?
It's so punchy, Bob. Punchy.
Yeah, this is really good.
Right? Yours punchy?
No.
Mine was punchy. You ate something else with it.
What do you mean?
My shit was punchy like sand. Right? The water sauce is not punchy. But I would know if I had neither one. You ate something with it.
I would definitely rate this uni bowl 10 out of 10. $15 and it's worth it. Eating in line at Chicken and Skin. This is supposed to be the best thing here. Of course it is. So we're gonna get the sweet and spicy tom yum because the lady who works here said. We got the chicken skin.
Yeah, tom yum.
Kind of tastes like that pork but chicken. So after chicken and skin, we're planning to go try shrimp daddy. There's baby bottles. There's 2 stations. One is free refills and the other one no free refills. So we try to find one with free refills. Okay, we out here. Do you want to say please? How is this? Tastes good. We got a mango pink lemonade. It's $25 and it's unlimited.
Order 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Pretty good, I like it.
Okay, I want to try it. This is the mac and cheese.
No,
Are you like driving now?
macaroni salad. It's like mayonnaise.
Macaroni salad. It's okay. And then I'm gonna try the shrimp. The shrimp has like a crawfish flavor.
I would
So it's
not,
pretty good, I like it.
I would not get again.
Yep, like it but wouldn't buy again. It was $14 for the plate and $17, so $3 more for the pineapple that's Instagrammable. Wouldn't buy again. Not that worth, kind of So my final thoughts on this 626 market. I honestly don't think it's for me. I just don't really like crowded places and the line was really long, so feet hurt so bad. My favorite place was the uni bowl. Second favorite was the drink. Third was the chicken skin and the shrimp taste are the same. But anyway, we're like heading back to the car. Overall, it was a good experience. I'm glad I get to experience together with my family and Steven.
Honestly, not a very good place.
It's really soft, fluffy. I think it's really good. Maybe Gucci. Maybe Gucci appetite.
I like it. I only wanted to try it.
Yeah. So I'm in the car. My sister and brother are swimming at the beach. I was laying out and you can tell in this picture here, the sand is really thin and fine and the wind was so strong, it kept going to my eyes. So I would definitely recommend this beach. Sand is really fine. If you're gonna come here and swim and get down and dirty with the water in the bend, it would be awesome and fun, but I just wanted to lay out, get some sun, and I just couldn't do it. So today's the last day and we're spending the whole day in Westminster, Orange County. On that note, if I don't close up this video later, then have a good day. Thank you so much for watching my first vlog. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this vlog and subscribe if you haven't already. I will continue doing more vlogs in Chicago, so I will see you back in Chicago.